Hey guys, this is Aaron from Geeky Development and welcome to our weekly Tuesday tutorial. And in this video I'll be showing you how to make images fall down the screen. Now the way I'll be showing you is as soon as you open up the application, an image will automatically start falling or rising depending on how you want to code the application on the screen. And this is useful if you've got like a really cool menu and you want to set a certain theme. Like if you put a bunch of clouds at the top of your app and you can make it snow or rain or anything like that. So already I've got my project all set up. I'm using the new XCode 4 and you can download that in the App Store or become a paid developer. But I've named this Falling Images and it's a view-based application for the iPhone. And the first thing you're going to want to do is I'll just go to my desktop here. I have my image of my Geeky Lemon. And I'm going to drag that into our project. If you're using the older versions of XCode, you'll be placing it in the resources folder. Or if you've got a new version like I have, just put it in your supporting files. And make sure it copies to the destinations group folder in case you need it later on in your project. Just finish that. Okay then, so we can go straight to Fallen Images View Controller.h, where we add our IB outlet. Space UI image view, your asterisk star, and I'll name the image simply image so it's nice and easy to understand, and have a semicolon and press enter. Now we're going to want to add our timer in. Type in ns timer space asterisk star again, move object timer. Nice and simple and easy to understand. So we can save that and then go into our viewcontroller.m, and just after the implementation here, press enter a couple of times. I'll zoom in so you can all see. Okay, then so we start by creating the timer. So dash bracket void bracket space view did load space curly bracket, and if you notice in the new XCode 4, you press enter, it automatically gives you the ending of the curly bracket. So now we can start by typing move object timer space equals space bracket ns timer space scheduled, and we will need the scheduled timer with time interval ns timer with the target. You press enter, and in the first highlighted section we put 0.1, and in the target here we're going to want to put self. Then in the selector we put at selector, and then it automatically brings up a little bracket here, another highlighted section, and in here you typed move object. Got capital on there, and in the user interface here of the ID we put nil, and repeats here we put yes, and that bracket, we'll make sure that yes is there, bracket, and then that semicolon. Just zoom out. So that's all it's needed for the adding the timer in. So just after that curly bracket at the end, we press a couple of enters more again. And then we type in the code for our image. So again, bracket dash void bracket move object space curly bracket enter. And now we type in image, as would be called our image, sorry, dot center space equals space capital CGP point, this one here, point make, and in this highlight we type in image dot center dot x, and after the little comma here we do space, and again image dot center, and this time dot y, so just to put in the axes there. And in this highlighted section we type in, if you want to make it go down the screen, just put a plus sign. Or if you want to make it go up, you just put a minus sign. There we go. And our number 5 just does the speed. Then after the bracket we put semicolon. And then we can save that. Just zoom out now. Now we go straight into our viewcontroller.nib. And if you use the new XCode 4, just to get up all the actions and outlet, just click the box up here with the grey shaded rectangle on the right. Yeah, I'll just bring them all up. Let's drag this up here so I can find the UI image. There we go. So there's the image view there. I'm going to place in our picture, which is, my one here is lemon.png. I'll just rescale it so it's an ideal size. I'm not too fussed if it's out of proportion, it's just a quick demonstration for you. Now on the left here we click on Files Owner. Go to our connections and drag the image to our image. And then we can simply save that. And make sure it's in the iPhone simulator. Yeah. And we go straight away to build and run. There will be no problems here as all the code's perfect. Now like I said before, this is a great way if you want to create like a certain theme to the application. Like I said before, if you want to make it snow or rain, it's brilliant, to be honest. It just gives a better feel to the application, really. Okay, so once it's loaded, just right there, and there we go. The image falls down the screen. It might look a little bit pixelated or a little bit funny. That's because my image is not fully in proportion or anything like that. But that's simply how you make an image fall down the screen. So I hope this helps you in your tutorials or projects you've got going on at the moment. And make sure you comment, rate, subscribe. Send me a message or leave me a comment if you want to suggest any tutorials or if you want to give me some advice on how I can improve them. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and like me on Facebook. Also check out my apps, which are currently in the App Store. All the links will be in the description. But for now, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you all in the next tutorial.